What is going on, everyone? We have great news. We're launching a new vlog.
For the first time, we're giving you insider access, everything DSQ. We want to take you behind the scenes with DSQ, show you how we arrange our songs, how we produce them, and how we create a music video.
Coffee from around the world to gear, music production, and concerts. What do you want to know about DSQ?
I've played 3,186 million weddings. I can't wait to share with you what I've learned after all of that.
Here are the most common questions we get here at DSQ.
Why use an electric violin over a classical? How do you choose one? What's the difference and why is it better? How to overcome your camera fright? Let's talk angles, music videos, violin faces.
Please share with us stuff that you want to see.
I don't want you to miss anything. Go subscribe to the Dallas String Quartet YouTube channel. Just subscribe to the channel, okay?
That's my line.